So, hello guys, it's Deli Del here, and we're making steak again, and we're going to make it with a little differently this time. I'm gonna make some smashed roasted garlic, and it's gonna be good because I'm gonna also saute it with butter this time. I'm gonna also saute it with butter. Just decapitate this. Not decapitate, flatten it. Okay, now we can turn on the thing because I want my butter to melt. And then what we do is that we want to get a perfect loaf so that way we can drop in our butter. Your butter needs to be this big, exactly this big. And I'll put the rest in there. Get all nice and get our steak ready. So, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make some Fidel's Sacred steak
Okay, please watch the plastic. Please watch the plastic.
Okay.
You can start a fire.
I'm gonna start a fire. I know. It's my dad saying something.
Saying plastic. Get the plastic away from the fire.
Plastic is out of the fire. Okay, now we put in the steak.
Okay, what about the onions?
The onions
You
go
don't
in
shoot
after.
But you don't roast the onions? Okay,
I'm also roasting the onions, but like I'm putting the steak first. Get it a nice slow sear. The steak looks aged though. Hope it's able to eat.
Aged is actually a good thing. Usually. That is a lot of steak. I wonder. Oh, anyway, there's 3 of us, so.
They're all eating it. I'm gonna cook it perfectly.
That's a crowded pot.
Everyone needs to have room. Okay.
Move the plastic out, the bowl out of the way, and just maybe put it in a sink or something. So you have to move everything away from the fire.
Okay,
That could be a hazard.
What it is? Dad?
So the last time you cooked it, you fried the onions first, but your show.
It's okay. The onion will just get cooked under.
It's a nice sizzle.
The sizzle.
That's a lot of onions. You gonna use all those onions?
Yeah, by the way, I diced a whole bunch of onions.
Oh.
And,
The vent. That's the vent. Okay.
just put all of them.
That's a lot of onions. Okay. All right. Move the plastic. Thank you. You have to learn how to
Yeah.
work with the
Get
kitchen.
the clean spatula.
Spatula or the tongs? Which utensil?
Can I just rinse it?
Shortcut.
Bon appetit.